So students, we are going to revise what is multiplexing. Multiplexing is a technique which allows more than one signal to be transmitted on single channel. Remember, more than one signal transmitted on single channel. This process is referred as multiplexing. So what with multiplexing, what is the help we are going to have? We can transmit simultaneously multiple messages over a single transmission channel. So with multiplexing, we are going to utilize the available bandwidth of the system. Multiplexing is possible in communication system only through modulation. So to achieve multiplexing, we want the modulation process. So what is the multiplexer? This is message 1, this is message 2, this is message 3. Each message is made to pass through a modulator, that is a modulation unit, having different carrier frequencies. First modulator is having carrier frequency F1, modulator 2 is having the carrier frequency F2, similarly modulator 3 is having the carrier frequency F3. So after that, each information signal, each message is in different frequency spectrum after modulation. So the different frequency spectrums are combined together at this unit, and then we are going to get a composite signal which is a multiplex signal. Each signal is transmitted to different frequency spectrum. So the frequency spectrum of this message is translated to this frequency spectrum. This message is translated to this spectrum. So similarly, each signal is translated to different frequency spectrum such that every signal differs in its transmitted frequency. This is done by using the modulation process, as we have seen. At the transmitter, they can be mixed and transmitted. And what is done at the receiver? The signals can be easily separated because they are at different frequencies, and these are delivered, the separated messages are delivered to the next stages of the receiver for further processing. Now, let us see about the communication system. Communication system is categorized based on their physical infrastructure and specification of the signal. So based on the physical infrastructure, they are classified as line communication system and radio communication system. In line communication system, there is a physical link called hardware channel between transmitter and receiver. The example of line communication is landline telephone. In radio communication system, there is no physical link between transmitter and receiver, and the natural resources like space, water are used, and they are referred as soft wired channels. The example of such communication system, radio communication system, is radio broadcast.